This 18-year-old MBBS student died after allegedly being ragged by his seniors just a few weeks after joining a college in Gujarat.
स्टूडेंट हमारे हॉस्टल में सडनली कोलैप्स हो गया.
Here's what happened. Anil Mithania from Jesada village in Surendranagar district cracked NEET with a score of 550. His family said he had made up his mind to become a doctor when he was in class 10. They added that he was the only student from his village to crack the All India Pre-Medical Entrance exam. On 14th October 2024, he enrolled at the GMERS Medical College in Patan, aspiring for a better future. A month later, on the night of 16th November, his seniors, second-year students at the college hostel, called Anil and over 10 other first-year students for an introduction. They allegedly made the juniors stand for nearly 3 hours and forced them to sing, dance and use abusive language. Anil suddenly fell unconscious and was rushed to the Dharpur Hospital's emergency department, said his batchmate.
और उसको रिवाइव करने का ट्राई किया बट वो रिवाइव नहीं हो सका. हमें फिर रात को so we reported it was as an accidental death.
Anil's family was informed about the incident around 12 a.m. on 17th November.
इनको ये लगा कि भी हमें थोड़ा रैगिंग जैसा लग रहा है तो उन्होंने भी lodged a formal complaint.
In 2001, the Supreme Court banned ragging across India and directed all educational institutes to follow the anti-ragging law. Under the Prevention of Ragging Act, ragging is defined as any disorderly conduct, whether by spoken or written words, or by an act that has the effect of teasing, treating, or handling of pressure on any other student with rudeness. Under the anti-ragging law, if a student is found guilty, he or she can be imprisoned for 3 years, along with a fine. Despite efforts by educational institutions, ragging still persists in many colleges and universities across India. As per a study titled Psychosocial Study of Ragging in Selected Educational Institutions in India, conducted in 2016, close to 40% students in colleges across India face some kind of ragging and only 8.6% reported the incidents. The study also found that over 25% of ragging incidents were based on language and region, 8% on caste, and 4% involved sexual ragging, including acting out sexual scenes and stripping. In 2024, 800 complaints were reported to the UGC's anti-ragging cell, out of which 222 were from medical colleges and 230 from engineering colleges. Several studies show that the negative emotions from ragging, shame, humiliation, anger, and helplessness are harmful to mental well-being and lead to cycles of violence. Victims of severe ragging often become perpetrators themselves. In Gujarat, based on a formal complaint by the students, the college's anti-ragging committee launched a probe into the incident. They recorded statements from 26 witnesses and found that 15 seniors had ragged 11 first-year students. Following the report from the committee, all 15 accused were suspended by the college and an FIR was registered in Balisana police station on 18th November. The FIR stated that Anil was subjected to mental and physical torture by the senior students. The 15 accused were booked under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita sections for culpable homicide not amounting to murder, wrongful confinement, unlawful assembly and using obscene words.